So today I will share how to turn this image into a trending flower pop-out effect in Canva like this. So let's start with it. So first I will choose this image which says rose flower silhouette. Okay, and I will just make it bigger and I will place it here. And as you can see, the outlines are very much bold. So let's make it small. Let's make the thickness small. So for this I will go to edit. Okay, and scroll down to find shadows, click on see all, click on outline, and scroll down to find the size. Here write 15 and make no other changes. After that I will just go to uploads, and as you can see I have uploaded this image. I will just bring it in the canvas, and after that I will go to text here, click on add a heading, and I will write bloom. Okay, and bring it above, and I will change the font as 10 Nimbus. So I will just scroll down to find this one. Okay, and after that I will just make it bigger. I will bring it just here, and after that I will just make the image bigger, and I will just decrease the transparency to check how it looks. So I want to keep this covered in here, so I will just make the image of the flower a little bigger, and after that again adjust it. So now it is covering the hands also, so like this. And as you can see, some parts of the text are not covered here, and also some parts of the flower are also left out. So I will just cut this image by pressing Ctrl+X in the keyboard, and after that click on add page and just paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V in the keyboard. Okay, and after that increase the transparency, and after that I will just edit and click on see all, click on magic expand, click on whole page, click on expand. Okay, so among this let's try this one. So this one looks good. Let's click on done. Okay, now I will again go to adjust here on this edit part, and I will just adjust the image, increase the brightness a bit. Okay, increase the highlights, and after that increase slightly the whites. Okay, and after that increase the saturation. Okay, let's keep it to 10 here. Okay, and after that I will just use these two images, and after that I will just download both the images, clicking on share, click on download, make sure both of them are in PNG, and click on download. When the downloading is done, click on add page, and after that just re-upload both the images which you just downloaded in Canva. Okay, and after that just separate these two. Okay, now go to apps, click on this search icon, click on here and write blend, click on blend image, and after that make sure the blend mode is in screen. This is the most important part, because if you make any other changes it will not work. And for the bottom layer, select this text layer, and the row silhouette part, click on use selected image, and for the top layer click on this image and use selected image. And after that click on add page and click on add to design, and just bring it here and adjust it to the whole page. And now click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, so as you can see, the text is also removed. So one thing we have to do, click on add page and just add to design, and after that let's make it to the same size, and after that keep this one. Okay, and after that click on Ctrl plus X to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it here. Okay, and after that just delete this page because this is not required. Now I will use this image again. Click on Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it here and make it to the same size as the canvas. Okay, and after that click on BG remover. Okay, now right click it, go to layer, show layers, just put it down the image layer of this rose part, and this one bring it just below the road part. Now select this layer and after that crop it till here. Okay, and select this layer. Now click on edit, scroll down to find shadows, click on outline, click on 10 here and make it white and just keep it here.